Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to release these May kits. So for May I went with a watercolor floral theme. I tried to get away from the flowers and the floral, but I just couldn't for the month of May because, you know, Mother's Day and of course April showers bring May flowers, so we had to do it. So this is the full kit. It retails for $20. $20 is a whole lot of money, but if you guys know anything about the sticker paper that I use, then you know it's also a whole lot of money. So, and this can of ink isn't the cheapest either, but either way, this is the full kits, and I did change the font for the thin washi strips, and I completely revamped the Build Do stickers, which I shared that with you guys on Instagram a few weeks ago. We are moving into the classic kit because I was able to finagle the stickers on the page and whatnot. I was able to throw in that little thin washi strip, so that's a new addition to the kit for now and hopefully moving forward. This is the second page to the classic kit. Changed up the font, of course, and the Build Do stickers. And I completely got rid of pretty much all of the font except for the paid font on all of the stickers so that you guys can kind of write in whatever you want. I did still leave stickers for tracking credit score and baby step and stuff like that. This is the mini kit. I added in a goal 7 and goal 8 and made all of the other changes like I made to the other kits. The mini kits are $7. This is the Petite planner kit. It is the newest kit, and I have already been selling these kits to those who have requested it or requested them, but now I'm going to offer them in the shop. And the new addition is a goal 7 and a goal 8, which if you've not ordered the Petite planner kit, then you don't know exactly what came with the kit prior, but that is one of the new additions. So what I'm about to show you guys now are my new Build Do stickers. So these are my newest Build Do stickers. They will be available in the shop. I'm going back and forth about whether I want to revamp my old Build Do stickers or update them, not revamp them, but rather update them to something like this and get rid of that black border and change the font. I think I'm going to eventually get rid of the black border. I just don't know if I want to keep the stickers in the shop or just put the updated version. I don't know. I'll have to figure that part out. But the new and improved stickers will definitely be up in the shop. These are my new mini stickers. Of course, if I have classic size stickers, that I have to have mini stickers as well to look out for my mini planner people out there, which I once was. But yeah, those are pretty much all of the new releases. Now we're going to go into the part where I share with you guys how these stickers fit and share with you guys any oops or mistakes that I have made. So this is the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner in the 7x9 size, which all of my sticker kits are technically, except for the mini one and the petite one, the full one and the classic one are made to fit this exact planner. So the planner actually comes in two colorways, a colorful theme, which the color scheme for May is like an orange color, so that's why I tried to match the sticker kits to the color scheme. And also you can get this planner in a neutral color technically. So I will show you guys my oops momentarily. I did not edit it out of the video because I am still new to sticker making and I want to show you guys the oops that I made and the oops that anyone else can make. So this is the oops. I changed the size of the stickers, the large washi strips and the thin washi strips, and for the good and for the bad. So this was a little bit too small, so by now I have already gone in and made the change. I don't really know why I even made that change exactly. Probably because I was changing the dimensions to make the washi strips thinner, which was a very good look, which you'll see in a minute. But anyway, by the time that you're ready to purchase, the sticker kits will be sized perfectly just like they were for April. But I just want to keep, making sure I'm just improving and having the best dimensions as possible and sizing the stickers, all of the stickers perfectly and that kind of thing. I just don't want to just keep, releasing the same kit whenever I can take a few hours or in my case, like a whole day to try to update, Anyway, I'm pretty big on just trying to do the best that I can at the time. So even though those December kits were just a hot mess, at that time, it was the best that I can do. So anyway, that is how the orange Build You stickers and the green Payday flags will look with the watercolor floral themed or patterned washi strips, which I love, 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 love. Making sure that everything is matching and coordinating. I typically would like to go for, whenever I pick out my pattern, there's always a color that I want to then play off of. It's kind of like how I dress. So with this particular pattern, I wanted the orange to pop. So that is why I matched all of the stickers to the orange, or that's why I decided to bring out that particular color. So the full kit is, I think the full kit is what I'm using, maybe the classic kit. Either way, there is a little thin washi strip that matches the large washi strips in both of those different kits. And that happened real fast. So anyway, I thought it looked good, but I thought that I was going to do the second page, but apparently I'm not. So anyway, I have whipped out a mini happy planner just to make sure that those stickers, because I don't really even use these stickers ever, I'm just making sure that they are sized correctly. And I'm just using a blue sheet of add-on paper or whatever this is called. But I mean, I would advise probably using a white piece. They do sell white add-on sheets. I don't know what they're called. I've been out of the happy planner game for far too long. But anyway, those are sized perfectly. And my Build You stickers fit inside of those boxes literally perfectly. My Build You stickers actually fit inside of the mini happy planner sticker. The mini Build You stickers fit inside of the mini happy planner perfectly. And the classic Build You stickers, or the regular size stickers, fit inside of the classic happy planner perfectly. So there's that. And the reason why is because the Erin Condren boxes are larger and the Petite planner boxes are larger too. So in order for everything to kind of look halfway decent, I have to make them as large as I can, so that's why they fit inside the classic happy planner perfectly, kind of just lucked up. Anyway, this is the Petite planner, so Michelle harasses me every month to make this kit for her, or a kit for her, so I already had the template and everything. So, and I do make my own templates, by the way. Somebody asked me that. I make all my stickers myself. The only thing that is not me is the pattern. I buy that in Silhouette, and I also buy my fonts in Silhouette because I clearly don't have a font to use. But anyway, I thought that this kit looked really, 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 really good. Super, 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 super good. And again, I just like making sure everything is just cohesive. I think about every month, I think about changing the Payday stickers to match. Maybe like for this month, I could make the Payday stickers pink, so the pink could pop, but it would also just offer like a contrast to the orange Build You stickers. But I don't wanna. I always want to, for me, keep the Payday stickers green, because I don't know. Anyway, I'm filling this out pretty much to a T, again, for picture taking purposes. That's the whole purpose of me doing this, just to make sure the stickers are sized right for all of the planners, and also to go ahead and take pictures, you know, since I'm doing this and wasting stickers, which I hate. So I actually didn't have to do much to the Petite planner kit because I recently revamped this kit as well about a couple months ago, or, you know, I think last month I revamped it, so I didn't have to do too much. So the dimensions were literally perfect already, and I am obsessed. So if I were interested in switching, I would definitely switch to the Petite planner, but you know, I'm not carrying that around, so maybe not. So after this, I'm going to show you guys how the stickers fit in a classic happy planner, and I'm honestly thinking about making a kit for the classic happy planner. I eventually want to make, like, you know, just to add different sizes and stuff. This is, you know, I feel like every couple of months I add a different size, so I eventually want to add a kit that fits exactly for the classic happy planner, but haven't really gotten that far yet. But anyway, I didn't want to waste another piece of paper and another spread and whatnot, so I'm just going to go in with my stickers on top of these other stickers, basically, or beside them, or whatever, or underneath them, technically. So let's see, I'm starting out with the orange Build-Do stickers to see how they fit. Again, they fit perfectly, and that's just really luck. I did not size them to fit them perfectly. They just do literally because of luck. So I am going in with the orange Build-Do stickers. I feel like I'm doing a plan with me. Anyway, going in with the orange Build-Do stickers and the payday flags just to see how they look. And then I saw that some of you guys like to do that. And I figured I would try it. But I don't know how I feel about it, because technically, unless you guys cut up your stickers, which I eventually do, you guys are not, you're missing out on the days of the week, which I don't know that that's super important, but I don't know. That's why I've been thinking about making a kit for the Classic Happy Planner, which it wouldn't take much. I would just have to finesse a little bit. So let me know in the description let me know in the comment section if you like really actually use a Classic Happy Planner and want me to make a kit for the Classic Happy Planner. I'm okay to do it. I mean, everybody is switching to like the Erin Condren Deluxe monthly. So I don't know if you guys are even still using the Classic Happy Planner, but let me know. I'd like to make one to kind of fit the extension pack if you guys are still using that. I don't know. I'm out the game. I'm completely out the game. I've been using different Erin Condren planners for a while. Anyway, I'm still going in. At this point, this has really nothing to do with anybody. I'm just trying to see what I can do, how I can make these stickers work, and just to see what kind of struggle you guys are going through, because I know a lot of y'all, well, I don't know that a lot of y'all buy these kits for the Classic Happy Planner, but mainly people, well, you guys used to buy the classic kits a whole lot, but now I feel like you guys buy the full kits a whole lot. Anyway, a decent amount of people buy the classic kit every month, so I don't know if you guys are using it for your Classic Happy Planner or your Deluxe monthly or what, but I was just trying to see if I could cut something off. I was just trying to make it fit and to see what I needed to do to maybe make a kit for you guys. Anyway, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.